Hey guys, it's your girl KAMAA NETE, and we're back with another video. I hope everybody has been doing well. Today's video is gonna be very simple. We're gonna just do a little eyebrow tutorial. I've been getting a lot of comments on my eyebrow, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. Alright, but first, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a part of this family, if you're not a part of this crew, girl, boy, the subscribe button's down below. Okay. So we gonna go in. This is my dip brow. This is by Elf. In shade espresso. And here's my little angle brush that I'll be using. Okay. So here I am focusing. Sorry if I give you a resting face, but it's alright. So I'm taking that dip brow and I start underneath. I carefully just follow the way that my eyebrow is going, and I draw this line going into my arch. See that? Right. I then take the product and I start brushing it upwards into the hairs. And I just keep doing this until I kind of like how it's beginning to look. I'm still going to fill that in more, but it helps, when you're working with a product and not just a pencil. So I'm just drawing that in and making sure I have enough product in there. And then go back in, as you can see. And now I'm going to go to the tail of my eyebrow and I drag that down. I'm doing that because I'm trying to still keep the consistency, not more so like a hair-like, because some people like hair-like strokes, but it still just helps. I then go on the top of my eyebrow and I go in with that line. Just me dragging the product. Literally a little goes a long way. And then boom, I connect the dots. And I'm just basically kind of doing a little bit of blending. You don't have to do this part really because I show you how I actually do the blending. But yeah, I'm very picky with my eyebrows. So as you can see, my spoolie, I usually use a spoolie. It broke. So the old-fashioned way is a toothbrush. And I'm going in and I'm blending the product within my hairs. And blending so it doesn't look so blotchy and just like someone threw at my face. And now I'm on to the next eyebrow. If you attempt to do my method, which is really not that hard, let me know. Let me know if you tried it out and it helped you, Don't think I was just doing this and voila, I got it. Practice makes perfect, But I would love to know if you guys, tried it out. Followed my steps. I'm just connecting the dots and spreading out the product. This product kind of dries really fast once you get it in, so I try and put it where it needs to be before it fully locks into place. And I'm just trying to get them to be sisters. They don't gotta be twins. Once again, blending the product where I need it to be. Creating that unibrow. But don't worry, I'm gonna clean it up. If you make any mistakes or you feel like you overdrew or something like that, I'm gonna show you how I cleaned it up. Don't go outside like that, guys. So here's my concealer. This is also by Elf. I'm going in and I am being precise, being careful, and I'm cleaning up under the brow. You don't want too much product, but just enough. It's going to help clean up any of the mistakes that you made, and it makes the eyebrow look way more crisp. As if like you just got them done crisp. I start cleaning up the tail of the eyebrow. Yeah, you'll see me keep making that face. I feel like I need to make my eyebrows go up when I do them, because if they do what I want them to do, then I know it's right. I used to say, hey, I'm gonna activate the eyebrow. That was me activating the eyebrow. And I'm going in and I'm doing the other side. That concealer goes on like butter. You see how smooth it's just gliding? I don't have to fight with it. It's just nice. I was messing up on this one, but you know, I eventually got it. That's just me cleaning up the middle, covering excess product that I ain't gonna need. I know it seems very tedious, but to get the perfect eyebrow, this is literally what I do. Literally. And once I see that I'm good, here's the next step. I get a blending brush, spray it down, and we blend out. Now, and I only do this part or so because usually I would be getting ready to do the next part of my face, where I add my foundation and all that other stuff and get ready just to do, you know, a glam or so. If you're looking to just do your eyebrows, you don't have to use as much product that I used. You can use a little, like I mean a little bit, when it comes down to the cleaning process, or whatever it is that you want to do. I mean, I know some who don't even like to use makeup, but they still want a nice eyebrow, so they go in with like makeup solution or a makeup wipe, and they use that and they clean up their eyebrows. But me, like, I'm doing a full face usually after I do this. So yeah, here I am just taking the toothbrush again and I'm blending out the front of the product so I don't have blocky eyebrows. Yeah, don't want that. And I'm going back in and I'm just making sure that the concealer is blended very well. Making sure everything looks good to my liking and a little bit natural. So there you